Hey guys, Ellarigu Namaskara. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought let me vlog a little bit. So actually today is December 25th. It's the day of Christmas. I actually thought of vlogging the last 10 days, but then I got too lazy and I just wanted to enjoy the moment. But today's vlog is going to be a little different. You see that wardrobe right there? Where is it? Here, yeah. That wardrobe is filled with my clothes, and I will be cleaning out my closet. And yeah, basically, I'm going to be cleaning out my closet, which was long overdue because there have been some more new stuff that has come in, and this is me in my everyday attire. So I'll be cleaning out so much of my closet. I thought let me take you guys with me. I don't know when this vlog will go up. I'm actually really interested to vlog. Okay, I also haven't painted my nails. I'm really interested to vlog for a couple of reasons. One thing, I found them to be really interesting. Second thing is I have my phone now, which is really of really good quality, which is OnePlus 60, so I can vlog with my phone. I don't need a separate camera or my tab to vlog. So I thought, I don't know if I can put up vlog as a second video in the week. Maybe I should. I don't know. Poll is still out. Decision is still out. You guys should let me know. I'm a little shy at vlogging, but I think as I vlog, I'll get better, or I don't know. You guys have to let me know. So I have my tab right here. I'm going to be playing some music. My original idea was to put on my Bluetooth earphones, connect it to the tab, listen to music in full blast, and clean out that closet, which is filled with stuff. I'll show you guys in a minute. But then my Bluetooth earphones, the battery is gone now. So anyway, this vlog, let's start with the vlog. Okay, so this whole thing is filled with my stuff, and this is a picture of me when I think I was definitely less than a year old. So let me open this up. Oh my god, look at that, you guys. She's filled with stuff. So basically these are the things that I wear occasionally. That's how I had sorted it out in the first place, and now they've become messy. So these are the things that I wear occasionally, like my skirts, my churidar, etc. And that's a new thing that has come in, so I need to sort that. And then here I have all of my office wears. On the left is all the formal stuff, and on the right is a lot of kurtas as well as a lot of my pants. But I'm going to be decluttering a lot of these kurtis because these are almost 2 years old and they are like not so good, so I think it's better to get rid of it. And then at the bottom here is my casual wear as well as other wear that I wear. These are Friday wear as well as other wear. And then at the bottom I have some of these are my mom's sarees. I'm so sorry, it is so bad, but this is just the reality. And here I have some of my daily wears, my gym wears and everything. So we are going to be decluttering this whole closet, and yeah, like I'm super scared and I know I'll be overwhelmed, but let's jump into the video. Oh, by the way, look at my outfit. Ain't that cute? Comfy minion shirt and comfy pant for the winter. So let's declutter this baby. Let's begin. it is currently 6:15. How else will I show it? Okay, so I was able to clean out only 2 sections of my closet, which I use frequently. The rest, I was like, I don't use them much. I used it like once a month. So I thought for now it is not needed. I did my last declutter back in May. I remember I did a declutter and then I went to Reliance Trends store and I bought like 5 or 6 more pairs of clothes. So I was gonna say something. Yeah, so I will show you guys in a minute what I have done. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, you should, because you guys will see outfit of the day story almost every day. Like if I've already posted a story when I was wearing the dress, I'll not repeat it again. But if I have never posted the story with the dress, I usually put it up on Instagram, like from where I bought, what lipstick I'm wearing, things like that. So if you guys are not following me there, make sure you do. I'll show you guys how much I got rid of. Give me a minute. So I did not get rid of that much, but I did. Hold up. Okay, so these are like a lot of kurtis here and a few tops. Majority of these are kurtis. They might look really good on camera because I think my camera is really that good, but actually they look very worn and torn. So the ones that are still in usable condition I'll be donating, and the ones that, most of these are usable but they're just pretty old, so I don't know what to do. I have to ask my mom. Usually she donates these old clothes. If not, we just cut it out and use it as like a washcloth or something, DIY. And then here are some of the shirts, like t-shirt stuff. This is from H&M. Like I love the color, so I bought it. I have worn a lot of this. And this is also from H&M again, and this one is from Roadster, this one is from Eboff, that one is from Myntra again. So I have kept these t-shirts because I know I'll not be using them frequently, so I will try to do some DIY with this and make them a little cooler and then maybe try to use it. So that's why I've kept these. So this one I'm waiting for my mom to come and then I will show you what I did here. Okay, so previously when you guys saw, my god, okay, this was so annoying. So I had my kurtis and my formals here and my casual wear here, so I completely changed that up. So here is all, damn you door. Okay, so here, damn, it's not standing. So here is all of my Friday wear clothes, and then here is all of my formal wear which is not kurti. And at the bottom here behind there I've kept all those that I will not use for the office but which are casual wear, and some shirts as well. If you can see, like this is my t-shirt, this is a t-shirt, and this is an off shoulder cold shoulder top which I cannot wear to the office. And then I've kept my formal pants here. So this one is from Reliance Trends. I only have 3. So this one is from Reliance Trends, this one is from H&M, and the one at the bottom is leggings for kurti. And then here are all my casual wear pants which I've kept here, and that is all the kurti that I have left, which I'm super happy with because I don't really wear kurtis that much. So I feel like if I sit back, my wardrobe looks pretty organized, right? In case you guys were wondering like why I was rolling all of my clothes, so I always 95% of the time I press all my clothes no matter what, so it doesn't matter if it creases. And the second thing is that this is a trick or something that my brother used when he was packing for his foreign trip, which saves a lot of space in your luggage. This is something that people do to save up luggage space. So I thought, let me implement the same thing for 2 reasons. First, it's very easy to fold. You just have to roll it and throw it there. Second thing is, for people who hoard a lot of clothes like me, it gives a lot of space to keep more clothes. And if you guys didn't know already, apart from lipsticks, clothes are my obsession. I mean, I can wear like clothes without repeating at least for 2.5 months or at least 3 months. So that's how much I love clothes, and like I wear all of these on a regular basis. I don't waste any of them. And all the kurti here as well, they have been well loved for the past 2 years. I think it's time to get rid of them instead of just keeping for the sake of my collection. I thought, let me get rid of them so that it'll be clearer to pick out what I want to wear for the day instead of scouting through the mess. And it was messy as well, so I had to clean it. So that is it for my closet declutter. I hope you guys like this vlog. If you like this something different on my channel, if you did, then please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and like this video if you're also a clothes junkie like I am. Like whatever I am obsessed with, I buy a lot of it, but I still use, like perfumes, lipsticks, makeup, clothes, shoes, bags, whatever it is, I do use them. I don't just hoard them. So if you like me, then make sure to leave a comment down below or like this video. And if you want more vlogs, more such lifestyle videos, do let me know in the comments down below. And I will see you hopefully in my next one. Bye.